Right now we editing photo, and that's why I'm gonna go ahead and post on the shirt that I got on me now. So for the most part, that's about it right there. And I told y'all, let me go ahead and show y'all how this whole thing worked to set this up real quick. All right, so get the cutting board. Once you get the cutting board, and then you always want the white side facing you, like facing you when you put it on the cutting board. So, and when you get these cutting boards, this thing is mad sticky, which is good and bad. And I say bad because like if you're not careful, as you can see, or if you can't see, mad shit stuck on it. But but yeah. All right, so boom, that should be it right there. All right, and so with this, that's when the squeegee come in handy. So remember when you're doing this, oh man, I may have to cut this end off. I mean, you know what? Nah, I may have to, cause I want to do this. All right, let me go ahead and cut it. Is this and this go? So I'm gonna go ahead and cut it. Go ahead and cut it in four. And I'm gonna cut it in half. All right, but yeah, there's times you gotta watch out for that. It's not that it couldn't fit on the mat. It's just that it was too much hanging out. So feeding it through the cutter, it would have did something to it. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut this down to four, and then by then we should be good. So boom. Then after that I'm gonna cut it. What I did, it's by five. So I may have to go a little over because I got it for 5 inches wide. Yeah. All right, hold on. Let me see. Yeah, that's about it right there. All right, so that's good. All right, so let me go ahead and cut it. All right, so I don't need this whole sheet, so then I'm gonna cut this right here. Where is this? Oh, by 9? Nah, to be safe, I'm gonna go up more. All right. All right, so yeah, so go get your cutting boards again. All right, so after you get that, align it at least to the best of your ability. All right, so boom, fix this bottom part, and then boom, it's by 9 going down. All right, so after you do that, grab your squeegee. All right, So now for the good part. Go ahead, like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Alright. So got that. And then go ahead, click make. So let me go ahead and show you where I can see everything. And then y'all might want to save it. And then logo 2. Alright, on map. And then when y'all doing this, remember always to mirror it. Hold on. This got two. Hold on, I gotta go back. Alright, hold on. Cause I thought I combined them. Oh, that's what happened. Okay. Alright, so now I combine. That look a little bit crazy, but we finna rock out with that anyways. Alright. Mini map. Click on map. Confirm. I don't know why it's still doing that, but we finna rock out and check it out anyways. Alright. What is this? Hey, so I'll do allow. Alright, don't forget to mirror it. Go down to the bottom one. Same setting. Oh, my bad, the light was reflecting. Alright, don't forget to mirror. Why is it telling me subtotal $4.99? Hold on. Alright, I gotta go back and edit it again because who paying? Alright, let me edit the text. Let me see. Edit. Alright, so font. Change that. Yeah, when y'all on this, make sure y'all always hit the free in the filter. Oh, why the fuck that gotta have flowers though? What y'all think, chat? I'm honestly thinking about this one. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and remove this. Alright, like I said, I'll go ahead and remove this. I'll move this to the center. Drop this. Hold on. Man, this thing way down here. Alright. I'll drop it down to the inch. Look at this. Bring it up. Is this what they charged me for? They thinking they could charge me for just a little curve. They got me fucked up. Alright, unite these son of a bitches together. Alright, let's see. On the map. Hold on. Go back. Make sure I got it lined up. Oh yeah, see? What's the most this go to? I'm gonna have to shrink it. Goes to 5. Alright, I'm gonna have to shrink this. Do 499. Alright. Alright, go back. Okay, well, it don't give me the choice to combine it. Alright, so we're gonna find out now. On the map, confirm. Alright, so it probably was the lettering on that made me, that triggered that stuff. No. Alright. That's my vinyl. So when you selecting this, make sure you select the correct one, because I'm doing the 3D printer. Okay, that's not good. On material. Let me see, because I got the thing right here. Okay, so it's just regular HTV. Alright. But anyway, that's all the stuff that it could do though. Alright, so let's go ahead and go to mat this. Alright, we'll do this. For the pressure, we're gonna go more. Alright, and wait for this to load. I already got it set up and whatnot. This thing be tripping sometimes. Alright, let me see. Cause it got a sensor right here, so there it is. Alright. So that's what it does, to shoot it through there. And then after, let me go ahead and put this down while I got the chance. Alright, then on the screen, you click go. And after that, it's preparing. Then after that, there it is. Alright. Get a little hydration break, everybody. How y'all day was today, though? Y'all was good? Productive? That's good. So what's been going on? Let me see. I don't know if I like that. That shit never feels like that. But we'll see how it turn out. Excuse me. Excuse me. Yeah, we'll see how it turn out though. In the meantime, between time, I'm gonna go ahead and get this measuring tape back together. All right, so that's done. Let's see if we see it. Okay. All right, upload. All right, let's see if we got both of them in. All right, so we got one. I don't know if y'all can see that because I can't. We got one of them in. All right, so we'll go ahead and go in for the second one now. So let me go ahead and show y'all what I'm doing. All right. So this is what I wanted to print. So when you doing that, y'all be mindful of how where it's at, cause the one and the one, and then when y'all go back, let me see if I can. All right. So when y'all go back, y'all see how high this is right here. It's literally at the one and one. So I'm gonna have to go back and edit this. Probably drop it to a two. All right. Let me see. Okay. Drop it right there. Let me see this. And done. Where's that? A two. 226. All right. Let me see this now. Where exactly did this stop at? One and like 27. All right. That should be fine. 127. If anything, I could bring this up more. Cause it's gonna be way down there. If anything, I edit. Bring it up to two. So I'm gonna put it right here. Call it a day. All right. So that's that. All right. And then same thing. Smart transfer final. Um, Printable item. Sticker to the final. Oh no. All right. So we're gonna go ahead and go back to this right here. For the pressure, we'll go more again. All right. Then after you do that, call it speeding up the process. Yeah, you mess with the sensor. All right, so that happens. Once that happens, you see this. That's never gonna start unless you confirm, and whatnot. All right, so once it's confirmed, it's gonna tell you to click go. Then you click go. Preparing. And damn, that was quick. See when you sit in the kids' little room so you could do something real quick. Damn, that was quick. All right, so that's not bad. That's not bad. That's the finished product. All right, so we're gonna do that. All right, and then hold on, y'all. Yeah, so once you do that, you get your scissors. You get your scissor together because you don't wanna waste that whole sheet. So you get the scissor together. You cut the piece that you're using, save the piece that you're not versus weeding out the whole thing, and then next thing you know, you're wasting that whole sheet. So we go ahead and show y'all. So boom, peel it. Yeah, I know y'all see it. All right, so that's that. All right, and when you're cutting this, I ain't gonna tell y'all how to cut, cause at the end of the day, as long as I like the position of it and customers do, that's all that matters. All right, so now we're gonna weed it out. Get your weed tool. All right, and this one right here is gonna be a bit more tedious. Yeah, it's gonna be a bit more tedious, y'all. But it is what the hell it is. All right. Uh oh. All right. So, all right. Let me see. Let me see how I'm gonna weed this out because I fucked that one up bad. All right. So I guess I'm gonna keep the R. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. U S S E R P. Guess what, y'all? I'm still finna print this bitch too. Cause I wanna see how it's gonna look on the shirt. My bad, y'all can't see. I B I. And as far as this logo, got this last part right here. Boom. I'm gonna leave that right there. So just imagine. Oh, you know what I can do? Maybe I can save this. Let me see. Nah, this E's fucked. Alright. Yeah, that E's not good at all. Yeah, no, got no E's in here. Alright, anyways. So it is what the hell is gonna be on that. Alright. Let me see if I want. Because if I do that, then it's just gonna. No, I ain't gonna do that. Alright. So now I'm gonna put this on the back of this shirt that I got on. So there you go. So with this right here, it asks that the temperature be 289. I got it set for 330, I think it was. So I got to drop the temp on it. All right. Remember when you pressing your shirt, always like have a parchment paper or like a heat paper in between, because you don't want nothing happening. All right, so I got that set up. Cut this on. Yeah, so I already got it set up to thing. So let me go ahead. Drop the temperature. What did I say? 289. Yeah, 289. All right, I'll put 290 in the seconds. What was it like? I think 15. We'll do 16. All right, boom. All right. So remember, y'all, this is the design. This right here is the thing to get it aligned and whatnot. But yeah, so this moment, we're just waiting for the paper to heat up. Y'all don't gotta let it heat up like this. How y'all do it is how y'all do it. But yeah, as far as the computer though, like it's simple on the thing. I mean, it's simple on the. Oh, it's more than likely gonna update like the Cricut machine. More than likely gonna have to update when you get it. Um, and then I suggest you do it on your computer. Yeah, I suggest you do it on your computer, cause it wasn't loading on my phone when I was doing it. So I suggest you do it on your computer. Gonna be quicker, and then after that you can use it on your phone. But so the thing loading right now still. this was the other thing I did in the last video. Yeah, so it's straight. It's alright. It's not bad. I can't wait. I can't wait till I figure out more about this, more about this whole thing. Cause at this point, I really could make my own clothing brand, which I'm debating on. Cause and if it's not my own clothing brand, I'm gonna just start making random shit. But let's check the temperature. 190. So it's still increasing. All right, and that's that tool too. All right, but yeah, everything I got here, I got it off of Amazon for the most part. Um, was it cheap? I'm gonna say, I'm gonna say it depends on your budget, cause I be seeing, like people talking about like getting started with this. You're gonna need $1,000. You're gonna need $800. But it really depends on your budget, cause like everything here was under 400 for me. Was it? Nah, I lied. Yeah, was it? 174, 174. Everything two, 354, 340, 340 for something. Well, 350, 350. Then the accessories. Yeah, about 400, about 400, 450 to if I want to just add on stuff. I forgot about 260. I said 290. All right, so it's still heating up, but yeah, for the most part though, yeah, it's not that expensive to get into, whatever. Definitely opens up your creative mind and whatnot, cause at that point, now I be at work just try to think of ideas to put on shirts. See what I'm saying? Think of logos, figure out how the app work, like becoming a student of this. So, for the most part, yeah, I like it. I like it. All right, so it's about to heat up now. All right, so two. All right, boom. All right, so press, boom, set the timer. And then after that, I'm gonna let it dry up a little bit. And then don't forget the design and the thingamajigger, the placement. All right, get the parchment paper off. And all right, so at this point, boom. So I got that right there. Boom, set the timer. 290, 15 seconds, I think it said. No, 19. I don't remember. But it's around that ballpark. I'm going to say that much. It's around that ballpark. Y'all make sure y'all read the instructions if that's the type of people y'all is. Holy. I see that shit. Damn, no. Okay. All right, so maybe I should have took that out. All right, so safety first. Let me turn that off. Cause yeah, let me just turn that off. All right. This is the back of the shirt. I mean, I don't know. I know I fucked up by taking that off like that though, but as far as how this came out, make me wanna really Google, not Google, but check the specs. Check the specs of all this because I'm about to tell y'all now. Or maybe I can't. Let me see. Alright, so here it is right here what I got. And so okay, so 290 in 15 seconds. So I added 5 more seconds. That's not bad. I added 5 more seconds. That bitch. I like this. I fuck with it though. I fuck with it. All right, y'all. So that's the end of this video right here. That's the end of this video. So y'all see what I did wrong. Yeah, y'all see what I did wrong. Definitely weeding it. I should have weeded it better. Um, I like how it turned out though. I like how it turned out. Now that I think about it, I should have got the water thing, cause I didn't even get the water logo on it. What the fuck I did? What the fuck I did with the paper, man? All right. Well, I don't know where the paper at. Oh, here it is. Yeah. So what I should have done. What I should have done was this water right here. I should have peeled that out, cause all it did was blend in to the shirt. But, so that's enough of that today's chat. So until then, y'all go ahead and like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Y'all check me out. If y'all got any questions on doing this or whatever, y'all go ahead and ask me the questions in the comment box. I'll go ahead and point y'all in the right direction. Yeah, like I said, it just depends on your budget. See what I'm saying? Ain't nothing to it. Get like Nike, just do it. All right, y'all.